Hello everyone, this is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Just stopping in to show two of the concepts that I've been working on today. The first one is my black and gold, and the concept came from this pure spa combo set that I had for a while now. Got this from a city friend about a year ago. So yeah, so I'm going to use that. And what I did was put it into this cake box along with this rose. Oh, that reflection, let's see. As well as, no, that's even worse. Okay. As well as in there, I have some Bath and Body Works. And I have a black robe. So I don't know how well you can see that with the lighting, as well as the reflection from the gold rose in there. But yeah, this is the concept. So I put it in one of these cake boxes from Hobby Lobby. And this is the bow that I used on it. I think I'm getting better with my bows. But yeah, so I shrink wrapped this one. And with these boxes, well, for me, I don't like the way they look right here. So maybe I could have, I need to even that up a little more. So maybe the next box that I use, I'll put some kind of extra support in there, and hopefully it will keep this from the indents from appearing. So yeah, so this is this concept. And let's see. Oh, the robe is one of those waffle robes that we got from CVS sometime last year. So yeah, so that is this concept. Okay, and so this is my other concept here, and I'm using one of my ottomans, and I believe this one I got from Five Below sometime last year. So yeah, so in here I have a pair of slippers. I have this beautiful purse, and this purse I got from Temu. Uh, in here I also have a candle. This candle came from Pop Shelf. I have in here some Bath and Body Works, the Sweetest Song, and I also have a bracelet. Along with that, I have a robe that I got from CVS last year. And yeah, so that is this concept, y'all. So tell me what you think about this. I think this one turned out really, really nice. I like this one. And I think that I'm going to, I might go ahead and shrink wrap this. I don't know. I'm afraid of what it might do to the purse, so I'm kind of iffy about that. Um, so yeah, so I'll see what I decide to do. Whatever I decide to do, I'll come on and do a shot about with it later on, whether I shrink wrap or cello wrap. But yeah, but this is that concept, y'all. So, and with this here, I have this. Let's see. I have that beautiful bow that I made. And I think that's going to bring the colors out with the Bath and Body Works. So yeah, so this is my concept. These are the two that I've done today. I done one or two small ones. Uh, so yeah, so but this is one of my ottomans. So I hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will subscribe, hit the like, comment, and share button. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing your support. I do appreciate you. So until the next video, God bless and see you.